Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, I'll discuss about the analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and as tomorrow is the expiry for the Finnifty. So I'll discuss the levels for Finnifty as well if you want to trade in Finnifty for tomorrow's expiry. So let's start with Nifty first. So if I talk about the levels of the Nifty, so first thing I would like to highlight here is that Nifty today we could see that Nifty almost like it didn't perform well compared to Bank Nifty. So talking about the levels, that in the first half of the market we saw like Nifty was not able to actually sustain this levels and it came down. So on the second half we saw a good upward movement in Nifty and it was able to touch 15,800 levels. So what levels we can see for tomorrow is that, so this is one important level, but we have to take into consideration that Nifty for once tried to go to this level, but again it came down from this level. So if we tomorrow don't get any kind of gap up opening and Nifty opens on the same levels, we could have to wait for Nifty to at least cross 15,930 level. So this is the first level I'm looking for Nifty to cross before I consider it bullish and take long positions for positional traders. This is, and for intraday, obviously if it's able to sustain above these levels and we get a closing above this level, we can consider a intraday buying position here. Similarly, if we talk about the downside, so downside still I am looking for this levels, if 15,740 levels, that is what I'm looking in Nifty, this zone which I have marked. So if in tomorrow in the intraday, if it breaks this levels, we could see more sell off in Nifty. And as I mentioned, Nifty is like it's not performing as well. Like we can consider, like if we compare Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty is comparatively performing weak compared to Bank Nifty. So these are the levels for Nifty. Now if I talk about the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, as today also Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty and we saw a good rally in Bank Nifty in the last closing hours, as Bank Nifty was able to actually cross its first resistance of 33,800 levels. It was able to cross that and it was able to go above 33,940, though it didn't break 34,000 levels yet, which is a psychological resistance. So we still have to wait for this level, but still I would not say this level as the point for going long in Bank Nifty until and unless Bank Nifty cross 34,150 levels. So this is the levels which I'm looking for Bank Nifty. Similarly, if I talk about the downside movement, so 33, this level is what I will mark as the first zone for the intraday tomorrow. So 33,700. If Nifty, Bank Nifty breaks this level in the intraday tomorrow, so we can consider more sell off in Bank Nifty. Similarly, on a weekly range basis, like if we consider the last weeks as well, so still like 33,500 is holding strong support here, and if it didn't break this level, we could see upward movement in Bank Nifty also. And as I mentioned, it has to cross 34,150 level. That is what I am looking for in Bank Nifty before taking any long trade here. Similarly, if I talk about Finnifty, so Finnifty, as tomorrow is the expiry for Finnifty, so we can see on the levels for this one. So if we see this levels, so 15,650 is a major support area as of now for Finnifty, and 15,800 is holding as a resistance for this area, because and from above this also it started coming down. So if you are an option seller, so might be you can sell calls above this level and you can sell put below this level. But if you're an option buyer, you have to wait for the momentum. So if tomorrow Finnifty crosses 15,800, so we can take long positions here. But again said that, as I mentioned earlier also, that Finnifty is quite volatile and we don't see much of liquidity here, so volume is less. So I would prefer keep your position size like under control. So don't take oversize it, or don't take it with your entire capital or something. So you have to allocate like only 5%, 10% 20% of capital for this, not a bigger amount of capital, and this is the levels what I am looking for. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. Hope you like this video. If you like, you can share it with the ones who may be interested in knowing the analysis for the market, and subscribe to the channel. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.